I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by securing both accounts. Sign into your Apple ID and enable two-factor authentication so changes are reversible. Once done, export your essentials from iCloud, download contacts as a vCard, calendars as iCloud, and a Photos archive. Next, create or confirm a Google account on desktop. You'll use it to receive imports. Make sure you have stable Wi-Fi and enough Google Drive storage before proceeding, because these file uploads are the first actionable step in the migration. Now execute the core transfers. Import the vCard file at Contacts. Google.com so all names and numbers appear in your Google Contacts. This preserves groups and labels. For calendars, open Google Calendar settings and use Import and Export to add the iCloud files to the appropriate calendar. For photos, upload your archive to Photos. Google.com or install Google Backup and sync to automatically migrate albums. This keeps timestamps and albums intact. Throughout, verify imports completed before deleting anything on Apple. Finish by removing or signing out your Apple ID where appropriate. Then add your Google account to iOS or Android for Mail, Contacts, and Calendar so new items sync to Google. Update app logins and subscriptions because App Store purchases don't migrate to Google Play. Make Google your default for Contacts and Calendar to avoid split data. If something goes wrong, restore the iCloud backup and re-attempt a single-step import. That often isolates the failing file and prevents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.